Welcome. If you want to download pictures from Instagram on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, for the first you have to be login to an account of the Instagram, and after that you have to pick up your favorite picture that you want to download. So I'm going here and I will take, for example, this one. And right now we have to move for the Play Store, so just put the Instagram on the background apps, go for the Play Store, tap on the search bar and type here Repost for Instagram. You can also take it from this quick list, and here we have to get this application from the Kimsi 929 Repost for Instagram Regram. So let's get this application. Right now we can open this up, and here is the description and instruction how we can download the pictures. So we are going for our Instagram, and we have to tap right here when we got the picture selected, click share to. Oh, I just misclicked. We have to go for the share to option, and here we have to pick up our Repost for Instagram app. So let's go for it, and right now just simply open this app, click yes, and right now just enter, and here we are able to take off this signature from the picture. And right now if you want to save your picture to the gallery, you have to just click on the middle button, click allow, and there's the notification that it was saved to the gallery. So right now we can go for our gallery and check if it is working. So let's go for the albums and go for the Repost for Instagram. As you can see here, we got the picture that we downloaded from our Instagram. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.